You're right guys, we're back in the saddle again and we're heading over to a place called North Piddle. Don't laugh. Nice house. Hello, puss. Hello. Hello. Hello, matey. Meow. Hello. Come on. Hello. Oh, you're a nice cat, aren't you? Hello, matey. Hello. You're my friendly cat, aren't you? You're my friendly cat, aren't you? Nice cat. Hello. Very hairy cat. Bit wet round here. Yeah. What a beautiful autumn day. Mistletoe in the background. Butts Cottage. Nice countryside scene. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Rough Rider.
What a beautiful autumn day. Great to be alive. Plenty of mistletoe if you want a kiss at Christmas. Just want to say hello to my new subscriber, Sir Christopher Wren from Luxembourg. Thanks for your kind comments on the last video. That's the first comment I've had in 4 months making the videos now, so yeah, really appreciate it. I thought we were going nowhere, nobody's watching the videos, so yeah, it shows somebody's watching them. Appreciate it. Thanks very much. Oh yeah.
Really big tree.
Just coming into the little village of Bishampton now. Just coming up to the church at Bishampton. Yeah, this is St James Church in Bishampton. we're stopping for our break. We'll have a quick look in the church first. See if we've got any lights. Oh. They're unusual light switches with a dimmer on it. St James's Church. The name doesn't ring a bell. That for a beautiful ceiling, like an upside down boat. He's a pretty transparent character, Perspex man. Ah, must be the first church I've been in. It hasn't got any stained glass at all. It's unusual. The organ pipes. In memory of Dawn Stevens, 1966. Man, he's got some arms on him. Must have been to the gym. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to have yet another bacon sandwich, a packet of cheese and onion crisps and a couple of shortbread. Thank you very much. Always knock the lights off, save a bit of energy. How does this work?
That's what you know?
Yeah.
I'll have a look in a minute. Did you hear me sneezing early on?
No.
I sneezed and I had to try and stop it because I thought I was there. And then I need to clear my throat, got to tickle my throat.
Yeah.
Couldn't do it. Oh yeah.
Here we go, guys. Highlight of the week, a bacon sandwich.
With a twist.
Check out the goodies. Bacon sandwich. Only trouble is we've bought the wrong bacon, it's smoked. We don't normally have smoked bacon. Tasty bacon. a little bit on the cool side.
Yeah, I thought that.
We bought the wrong bacon, smoked. We just like plain bacon normally, but it's not bad. Give it a 9 out of 10 rather than the usual 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Here all come. Nostril cam. Got ourselves some Snacktastic cheese and onion crisps from Lidl. Just as good as Walker's, but half the price. Highly recommended. Lidl's cheese and onion crisps. If you want to give me a lucrative multi-million pound contract for promoting them, be my guest. Here's a mucky bugger.
Gotta show us your nice way to hold your bags and haven't you, Damien?
Yeah.
How is that? Because I never figured it out. What am I going to do?
Just fold it all in
Hold it all in.
for one corner. Okay.
Hold it into one corner. Which corner?
Like that.
Just straight to the centre.
Yeah, but then when you get to the bottom, you go towards the corner.
Do that. Nah, still ain't good. Got it?
Yeah.
You're in a very good teacher.
So that
You're in a very
that
good
bit
teacher,
there,
yeah.
fold it into that corner. That's it.
Okay, but bit greasy in it, a bit messy.
Yeah. This is my little crisp packet trick. Stop all the bits of crumbs coming out in your bag once you finish your crisps. Keep folding it all into one corner. You got a nice little package where the bits all stay in the bag and not in your backpack.
Bit better than mine.
Yeah, not one bit of stained glass in this church. Hi there.
Hi. This waitress man got stuff to flood beer didn't
Somebody just got in the church.
Now they're going around the corner.
Are they?
Oh. I just see it. around the corner. So I said hello. They've got 2 dogs, haven't they?
Ah, you are having a pee.
No, it wasn't that. You have been up there, have you?
Yeah, been up.
Oh, right, I don't know if you've been up. I don't have to come back up there. Or,
Yeah,
what's that one? That flower?
another daisy.
Another daisy? Ooh. You're going to get your piece of a daisy.
Mm.
Right, shall we shut up shop?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Okay.
Right, that's us all fed and watered now, and we're off back to Grafton Flyford. Is that the right name?
Not for here.
No, the place we're going to. Grafton Flyford.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You there, Emma?
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. Hi, mate. Hello, puss. Yeah, it's funny now the sun's gone in. The temperature's dropped down to about 7, but it feels a heck of a lot colder with the wind chill. Shows you've got to be prepared for any weather when you're on the bike and wrap up well. Gotta watch out for low flying boomerangs. Alright. Bit of hedge cutting. Shows how much rain we've had here lately. Look at the flooding. Yep, they've been cutting the edges here. We've got to watch out we don't get a puncture. That's a lot of sheep. Just coming up to the church at Grafton Flyford. Yeah, this is the church at Grafton Flyford. Just checked the door though and it's locked, so unfortunately we can't go in. Yep, there's a bit of money around here. That cost a few million. Nah. Coming towards the end of the ride now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll see you again next week. Take care, bye.